Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to properly remove or replace the front bumper from any Hyundai iX35 out there. So without any further ado, the first thing which you have to do if you want to replace or remove the front bumper completely from this kind of vehicle is to remove all the plastic clips and all the screws which are mounted right here at the top of the front bumper, and after that you have to pull it a little bit out. After that you have to go on each corner of the front bumper right here at the top of the corners, and you'll find one screw which is securing the front bumper attached to the front fenders. For example, on this side is right here underneath this tape. This tape is not here from factory. I think the owner placed it right here because of the mud which can go inside the car or into the headlight. So for example, right here underneath this tape, it will be the first bolt which is securing the bumper attached to the fender. And after that you have to go right here underneath down and you'll find one more plastic clip which is securing the bumper attached to the dust protection of the wheel. As you can see, it's right here in this location. After that you have to go right here underneath the front bumper, and in my case all the undershields are missing, but in your case if you have a lot of undershields right here, you'll have to remove all of these bolts or screws or plastic clips which can be installed right here underneath the front bumper, and you have to remove all of them. And you'll have to follow and do the exact same steps on each side of the front bumper because everything is similar from one side to the other. This is the driver's side. Right here is the first bolt in the top corner of the front bumper attached to the front fender. And right here at the bottom is the plastic clip which you have to remove, and then you have to pull the bumper out from the vehicle. From here, those are all the things and steps which you have to do. Right now I will go ahead, I will remove all the parts, and I will show you all how the bumper is coming out from this car very easy and very fast at home. And right here at the top of the front bumper you have to remove 4 plastic clips and 2 bolts which are securing the top part attached to the car. Moving on with the removal on the corners of the front bumper, to make your job a little bit easier, I recommend all to use a long extension and an 8mm socket to remove the bolt which is securing the front bumper attached to the fender. And after you finish removing the bolt from the top corner of the front bumper, you can just pull the front bumper a little bit out to the exterior from the corner, and it will come out from its place, like it did in my case. And you have to follow the exact same steps on the other side of the vehicle. Alright everybody, so in my case all the bolts and nuts which are securing the front bumper attached to the vehicle are dismantled, are removed, and from here I can just pull the front bumper out from the vehicle. You'll have to pull it first from the corners and release it from the connectors, and then you can just hold it from the middle. A very important thing which you have to do and follow is to not pull very hard from the front bumper, because nowadays those front bumpers are very cheap, they are not so strong, and they can break very easy. And also make sure to disconnect the fog lights connectors from the back of the front bumper, and if you have parking sensors you'll have one more connector, or if you have headlight washer system you'll have another connector which you have to disconnect just to release the front bumper completely out from the vehicle and pull it out completely. As you can see, in my case the front bumper, it did came out very easy. I didn't have to force anything, I didn't have to struggle with anything. I only disconnected the connectors from the fog lights, and the front bumper came out very easy from this kind of vehicle. Right here on the right side, on the passenger side, this is the connector for the fog light. You just have to pull and press this plastic clip, and it will come out from its place. And we'll have to do the exact same thing on the other side of the front bumper. Alright everybody, so as you can see, those are all the things and all the steps which you have to do and follow if you want to remove the front bumper completely out from this kind of vehicle. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.